Alright guys, let's have some more fun here today. So again, I just saw this in a garage sale, so yeah. And the answer to find that mushroom, because I asked everyone, is there a way you can actually eat that mushroom? I'm going to tell you this truthfully, yes, and it is non-poisonous. That's what I heard from my aunt from North, the one you met, Aunt Joanne. So, but she told me her son-in-law, he actually gets those out there and slices them up and washes them and then eats them. So, yeah. So the correct answer is that it is completely safe. Now, I'm not saying that to do with other mushrooms, because the other mushrooms that you find anywhere, like around the world or anywhere else in the United States, they're not going to be not poisonous at all. They're going to be, some of them could be poisonous, but some of them could not. So I recommend you do your research first. And mostly just go from there. But yeah, don't ever eat a mushroom. Like, ever. Alright, so I decided to do a part 2. I decided to remake the video, so the other one was too long. So I'm going to do my best to make a short one, like maybe 5 minutes or maybe 6 minutes or so. Depends on the time I'm doing this. So, alright, let's do this. Whoa. So yeah, I decided to go back in time and got a night outfit. Alright, we're landing right here. And now this one right here, the wooden stake shotgun, is one of my personal favorites. Sugar not down there. Hello. Fall back. Well, that stinks. I just got shot when I tried to get someone. Alright, let's do this again. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoy my hunting videos and my fishing videos. You're going to love about 2 weeks again. So there's going to be some good fun stuff going on up there. Hopefully I'll show you around the cabin like I did the other cabin. And you'll get to see some other great adventures too. Alright. Oh, and you may have noticed I am growing out my beard back out again, but don't worry, this beard is going to come all the way down here to the goatee again. So stay tuned for that after hunting season. Of course, I might decide to grow out again. I don't know. But I am going to mostly save it down to the goatee again and just grow that one out. So yeah. This is my only one doing this live stream for this week, because the next week we're going to go out. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, then it'll be over hunting season with me. And I do hope you guys enjoyed that modded video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little other handgun I did with the mod. I'm going to use that for mod night, of course. Or maybe just use another gun. Of course, I don't know. I'm going to mod more Nerf guns, of course, in the future. So stay tuned for that. Alright. Let's do this. So, what are your predictions for the new battle pass. What are your thoughts? What you guys think is gonna go happen? So let me know in the comments, and just let me know. I think, since it said we're gonna go back in time, I think because it says it's time to go back, I think it means we're gonna go back in time. So I'm gonna use my time ship to go back in time when that day happens. Oh, when I say time ship, I mean this whole house is my time ship. I like to pretend it's a time ship. So yeah. Ooh, blue chest. Let's see what I got here. I have a shotgun and a fort bunker. Yay. And I got a pulse grenade. Alright, let's use in this house. I just got killed. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop making this video. It's gonna be a shorter video. But yeah, shoot me a like, shoot me a comment. I'm still gonna be doing my live stream right here, right now. So shoot me a like, shoot me a comment on what you guys think I should do. Alright, go Hot Dog Nation. Peace!